They're like, yeah. Everybody. Okay, you guys have to collect the ones that are there.
He's so excited.
So we are taking this class, Farming for Multi-Species Justice. We start going to farms, so the first few weeks of class we learn about different farming techniques and
soil composition. It's a lot about both justice for kind of farmers and also understanding that justice occurs to both abiotic and biotic elements of the earth. Give it some instruction on kind of what we're looking for.
What we are trying to do is to rethink the environmentally and socially harmful agriculture systems and also to think about alternatives. So today this is a farm that started in 1980s. So we come and do a number of things that the farmers want to do. For example, we do organic fertilizing, weeding, planting, and then while doing farming, we have very serious discussions.
Yeah, you could just.
Maybe you could incorporate that next time.
Jude has so much knowledge to offer all of us, so it's a lot of us just kind of intently listening to him just because he has farming decades and decades of knowledge.
Do we have a farm visit next week?
No. Yeah. So whole idea is for them to give an opportunity to apply what they learn in the classroom to the real world and give them a sense of hope. And when you come and work like this, you, on the one hand, we become critical of the mainstream farming. On the other hand, we also see creating alternatives is possible. It can be done.